Good morning, all. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. All. The question is given x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 2, x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square equal to 6, x1 cube plus x2 cube plus x3 cube is equal to 8. You have to find the possible values of x1, x2 and x3. All. So here, like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. All. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. All. Because it is a new channel, your subscription is very important. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the answer solution for this? Otherwise follow the video. So here what is given, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. So here what you are doing, first of all, cubing on both sides, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by whole cube is equal to 2 cube. So what will get here, x1 cube plus x2 cube plus x3 cube, 3x1 square x2, 3x1 into x2 square plus 3x1 square into x3 plus 3x1 into x3 square plus 3x2 square x3 plus 3x x2 into x3 square, 6x1 x2 x3 is equal to 8. So this can be written as x1 cube plus x2 cube plus x3 cube plus 3x1 plus x2 into x1 plus x3 into x2 plus x3 is equal to 8. So here this value is 8. Given 8 plus x1 plus x2, x1 plus x3, x2 plus x3 is equal to 8. So from this you may get so 3x1 plus x2, x1 plus x3, x2 plus x3 equal to 0. So if the product of the terms equal to 0, then each term can be equal to 0. x1 plus x2 equal to 0, or x1 plus x3 equal to 0, or x2 plus x3 equal to 0. So here from this you will get x1 is equal to minus x2, or x1 is equal to minus x3, or x2 is equal to minus x3. So here you can replace the values in the second equation. Replace in second equation. So what will get here? We are replacing only the first one now. Minus x1 is equal to x2. Will take x1 square plus minus x1 square plus x3 value. X3 value are taking as 2. 2 square is equal to 6. Okay. So here if you get from the first one, so here x3 value will be 2. If you replace this one, x3 value will be 2. So here 2x1 square is equal to 2, x1 square is equal to 1, x1 is equal to plus or minus 1, x2 is equal to plus or minus 1. So the possible solutions what we are getting, x1, x2, x3. So here we are getting 1 minus 1 2, minus 1 1 2, 1 2 minus 1, minus 1 2 1, 2 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1. So these are all the possible values of x1, x2 and x3. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.